Hello, class. Great day. I just wanted to touch base with you all. I see a few students that look like to try to submit a support ticket regarding, I believe, test out. However, this is IT 212 16201 M01 Intro to Computer Networks. In brightspace, you have the course menu, tools, and some other functions, help guides, and things like that. Shapiro Library to help with your project reports, making sure you're using the right resources, citing your information properly according to the academic policy. So as you can see here in course menu, you have the announcements where you'll see the announcements that I'll post weekly. Also, the learning modules, which are very, very important. I hope everyone has had time to go through here and check the information here, assignment information, the information regarding test out. If you could please, take some time for those of you that have not registered or those of you that want to maybe become more familiar, take the time to just review this to make sure you understand how test out works. Also, uh, this week is module one, so we will go each week represents a module. So week one, week two, module two, week three, module three, and so forth. So, for example, here in module one, you have your resources, you have your assignments, your discussion that you have to do. You have also your quiz. So for the resources, if you click on resources, that's going to tell you what section you're on in Test Out Network Pro. So in sections of chapter 2 and 3 is what you'll be reviewing in Test Out Network Pro, and it will include like your labs and some reading material as well. As you can see, I'm not going to go through and read all of this, but if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see here reading CompTIA Network Plus Study Guide. This is additional support that complements the material out of test out, as you can see. So if you click on this link here, this is going to open up additional resource for the CompTIA Network Plus Study Guide. This book is also aligned with the actual CompTIA Network Plus exam. So that's very resourceful, and I do encourage everyone to read that additional resource to help you become more familiar and increase your knowledge in the different areas. So I'm going to go over to the test out platform now. So if you'll log in to test out, I'll give you a few seconds if you need. Um, and as you can see, this course is again IT 212 16201. This is C3 May through June course. So as you can see, here's the course information here. You have your courses here. This is where you will access the actual labs, the outlines. Section 1.1 is the introduction. Click here on outline. This is going to show you how to use the simulator, as well as I mentioned here, when we went to the resources and major uh, the resources, which is major type of networks, the required resources are chapter 2 and 3. And if you go back here to test out, you'll see chapters 2 and chapter 3. So networking basics, this shows you, the material you'll go through here. And then also section 3, chapter 3, network cabling and hardware devices. So this is for module 1. So I hope everyone can understand how to navigate through this. Is pretty much self-explanatory. Also, for your quizzes, if you go back home, you see here this says quizzes. You just clicked on that number 6 right there, and that shows you the quizzes that are open and available. So right now, quiz 1 is open. I have it open for what, two about 2 weeks. So if you could, go ahead and review the information first, go through the labs, the simulation, review whatever additional resources you need to prepare you for the quiz. It's open book. There's no time limit, and you also have unlimited attempts. So please take advantage of that and try to, take the quiz for understanding, not just trying to get a high score, but to understand the material and the concepts that you are reading. And as you can see, you have, quiz 2, 3, 4, and so on. So I hope this demonstration gives you an idea about how Test Out Network Pro works, as well as Brightspace. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email or via text. I will be sure to respond to you within 24 hours. And I wish everyone the best of success for this course. And definitely, I will be in touch. Have a great rest of the week.